In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a partner on the Flo app. This process is straightforward, and by following each step carefully, you'll ensure a smooth experience. To begin, launch the Flo app on your mobile device. You will see the familiar interface featuring colorful graphics and easy navigation. This step is crucial because accessing the app is the first move toward linking your partner. If you have not installed the app yet, ensure you do so from your app store. Once you see the home screen, you will know you are on the right track. Next, tap the Partner tab located on the bottom navigation menu right next to the Messages icon. This is where you will find all the options related to your partner settings. The Partner tab is clearly labeled, making it easy to locate. This action opens up the section where you can manage everything related to your partner connection. Once you tap this tab, you will be directed to the Partner Management screen. From there, tap the Link Your Partner button. This button is designed specifically for initiating the linking process. When you select it, it signals the app to start generating a unique pairing code. This is an important step because the pairing code is essential for ensuring that your account is securely connected to your partner's account. After you tap the button, the app will begin preparing the necessary information. The app will generate a unique pairing code on the screen. This code is a specific combination of characters that you will share with your partner. It is vital to keep this code private and secure, as it directly links your accounts. You should see a clear display of the code, which you can easily read. This unique code is your key to connecting with your partner, so make sure to note it down or have it ready to share. Next, tap Send Pairing Code to text or email the download link and code directly to your partner. This step is convenient as it allows you to quickly deliver the necessary information they need to install and link the app. You will see options for sending the code via text message or email. Choose the method that works best for you and your partner. After sending, your partner will receive the code and will be able to begin their setup. Now, have your partner download and install the Flo app. This is a crucial step because they must have the app on their device to complete the linking process. Make sure they are aware of where to find the app in their app store, either on iOS or Android. Once they have downloaded and installed the app, they will be ready for the next steps. On the initial welcome screen, they must select I am a partner. This selection is essential as it guides the app in recognizing their role in the pairing process. By doing this, they are establishing that they will be connecting with your account. It is straightforward, and they will see this option clearly displayed on their screen. After that, they need to click Continue. This action moves them forward in the setup process. It confirms their choice and allows the app to prepare for the next steps in linking. This small action helps ensure that everything is set correctly, making the process smooth. Next, your partner must add their name. This step is important because it personalizes their account and helps you recognize who is linked to your Flo app. Having a name associated with the account adds a personal touch and makes it easier for both of you to manage your shared experience. Then they must choose their birth year. This information is essential for the app to provide tailored support and features. Selecting the correct birth year helps in customizing their experience within the app. It's a simple step, but it helps the app serve you both better. Finally, they need to enter the pairing code you provided and then click Continue. Your accounts are now securely linked. This moment is significant. It confirms that all previous steps were completed successfully. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the linking was successful.